How much time do you waste deciding what's for dinner or staring into the fridge? Meal prepping is your ticket to reclaiming that time. It's not just for gym fanatics or people with giant kitchens. Meal prep is for everyone who wants less stress and more delicious meals. Forget the myth that it's boring or complicated. The real secret: it makes life simpler. Think of it as being your own personal chef for the week, prepping tasty components you can mix and match. Meal prep is about variety, flexibility, and making your week easier, not eating the same bland meal every day. So let's ditch the myths and get excited to make your life tastier and easier. Why meal prep? First, it saves you loads of time. No more scrambling after a long day. You'll save money by buying only what you need and avoiding takeaways or pricey lunches. Prepping means less food waste and more cash in your pocket. It's a health boost too. You control what goes in your meals, making it easier to eat well. No more reaching for junk when you're tired. Your healthy meal is ready and waiting. Meal prep also eliminates daily decision fatigue, making mealtimes calm and stress-free. It's a simple act of self-care that brings order to your week. Who wouldn't want that? Don't go overboard. Start small. Pick just one meal to prep this week, like lunch. 3 or 4 prepped lunches is plenty to begin. It'll take about an hour, and you'll quickly see the benefits. Once you're comfortable, add breakfasts or dinners later. Stick to simple, familiar recipes you love. Think chicken salad, pasta, or roasted veg. Choose ingredients that hold up well in the fridge. Each prepped meal is a win, building your confidence and making the habits stick. Forget perfection. Just enjoy the process and celebrate your progress. Before you cook or shop, make a plan. Check your calendar. Busy nights need quick meals. Relaxed nights can handle more effort. Choose 3 or 4 lunches you'll actually enjoy and write them down specifically. Make a detailed shopping list from your recipes to avoid wandering the supermarket. Check your cupboards first to avoid buying what you already have. This 10-minute planning step saves hours of stress later. Your plan is your roadmap to a week of easy, delicious meals. Shopping smart starts with an organized list. Group items by section to save time. Stick to your list to avoid impulse buys and keep your food bill down. Be flexible for good deals on staples, but skip random extras. Choose ingredients that last. Use delicate produce early in the week and hardier veg later. Don't shop hungry. Have a snack first to avoid temptation. Shop at quieter times for a calmer experience. A focused grocery run sets you up for a smooth week of cooking. Batch cooking is your secret weapon. Prep big batches of proteins, grains, and veg to mix and match all week. Grill chicken, boil eggs, or cook lentils for easy protein. Make extra rice, quinoa, or pasta for versatile bases. Roast a variety of vegetables for color and nutrition. Store everything separately so you can build different meals each day. This system keeps things fresh and exciting, not repetitive. Your fridge becomes a personal salad bar, ready for quick, delicious meals. Good containers are essential. Glass is best for freshness and easy reheating. Use airtight, leak-proof lids and see-through containers so you don't forget what you've prepped. Keep components separate to avoid soggy salads. Dressings and crunchy toppings go in small pots. Layer grain bowls for freshness, grains on the bottom, protein and veg in the middle, greens on top. Make prep fun. Put on music, get family involved, and turn it into a weekly ritual. Enjoy the process. It's your time to unwind and get creative. With the right tools and attitude, meal prep becomes something to look forward to. Meal prep isn't about perfection. It's about making life easier, saving money, and eating well. Recap: start small, plan your week, shop smart, batch cook, and store food right. Your challenge: prep just 3 lunches this week. Pick a simple recipe and give it a go. Enjoy the satisfaction of a ready-made meal and the time you save. This is your starting line. Don't overthink it. Just start. Be proud of taking the first step toward a simpler, healthier week. You've got this. Now go get prepping. Ready to make your week easier? Hit subscribe for more meal prep tips and share your progress in the comments below. Let's get prepping together.